INTJs are often described as strategic thinkers, visionaries, and problem solvers. They possess a unique combination of analytical skills, creativity, and determination, which enable them to excel in various areas of life. Throughout this article, we will explore the cognitive functions and personality traits that characterize INTJs, their behavior and performance in professional and personal contexts, their strengths and challenges, as well as their potential for growth and development. By gaining a deeper understanding of the INTJ personality type, readers will not only learn about the unique characteristics of INTJs, but also gain insights into their own personality preferences and those of others around them. Join us as we embark on a journey to unravel the complexities of the INTJ mind and explore the impact they make in the world. Cognitive functions and personality traits of the INTJ type. The INTJ personality type is characterized by a distinct set of cognitive functions and personality traits that shape their behavior and interactions with the world around them. A. Cognitive functions. Introverted intuition. INTJs lead with introverted intuition, which enables them to see patterns, connections, and future possibilities in the world around them. They have a deep sense of intuition and are often focused on long-term goals and strategies. Extrovert thinking. This function serves as the auxiliary function for INTJs, providing them with a structured and logical approach to problem solving. They are skilled at analyzing information objectively and making decisions based on rationality and efficiency. Introverted feeling. While less dominant, introverted feeling plays a supporting role for INTJs, allowing them to consider their personal values and beliefs when making decisions. They may have a strong internal moral compass, even though it may not always be outwardly expressed. Extrovert sensing. This is the inferior function for INTJs, representing their least developed cognitive function. INTJs may struggle with being fully present in the moment and may overlook sensory details in favor of abstract thinking and planning. B. Personality traits. Strategic thinkers. INTJs are known for their strategic mindset and ability to see the big picture. They are adept at formulating long-term plans and executing them with precision. Independent and self-reliant. INTJs value their autonomy and prefer to work independently. They are self-reliant individuals who trust their own judgment and decision-making abilities. Analytical and logical. INTJs approach problems with a logical and analytical mindset. They are skilled at dissecting complex issues and finding innovative solutions. Reserved and private. INTJs are typically reserved individuals who prefer to keep their thoughts and emotions private. They may appear aloof or distant to others, but this is often due to their introspective nature rather than a lack of interest. Visionary leaders. INTJs are natural leaders who excel at inspiring and motivating others towards a common vision. They are capable of seeing the potential in people and projects and are skilled at articulating their ideas in a way that inspires action. Overall, the cognitive functions and personality traits of the INTJ type contribute to their unique approach to life, characterized by strategic thinking, independence, and visionary leadership. Understanding these traits can provide valuable insights into how INTJs perceive and interact with the world around them. Performance of INTJs in professional and personal life. INTJs exhibit distinct behaviors and excel in various aspects of both their professional and personal lives. A. Professional performance. Strategic leadership. INTJs are natural leaders who excel in strategic planning and execution. They have a clear vision of the future and are adept at developing long-term goals and strategies to achieve them. In leadership roles, they often prioritize efficiency and effectiveness, driving teams towards success. Analytical problem solving. INTJs are known for their analytical and logical thinking abilities. They excel in problem-solving scenarios where complex issues need to be dissected and resolved. Their ability to think critically and approach problems systematically makes them valuable assets in professional settings. Innovative thinking. INTJs possess a visionary mindset that allows them to see possibilities and opportunities that others may overlook. They are not afraid to challenge the status quo and are often at the forefront of innovation in their respective fields. Their creativity and forward-thinking approach drive them to seek out new solutions and methods. B. Personal life and interactions. Independence and autonomy. In their personal lives, INTJs value independence and autonomy. They are self-reliant individuals who prefer to make decisions based on their own judgment rather than relying on others. This independence extends to their personal pursuits and hobbies, where they often enjoy activities that allow them to explore their interests alone. Deep thinkers. INTJs are introspective individuals who spend a significant amount of time reflecting on their thoughts and ideas. They have a rich inner world and enjoy delving into complex topics and concepts. They may seek out solitary activities such as reading, writing, or engaging in creative pursuits to satisfy their intellectual curiosity. Selective social interaction. While INTJs value their close relationships, they are selective about the company they keep. They prefer to surround themselves with individuals who share their values and interests, and may be wary of superficial or insincere interactions. However, once they find like-minded individuals, they form deep and meaningful connections based on mutual understanding and respect. In both their professional and personal lives, INTJs exhibit a unique blend of strategic thinking, analytical prowess, and independence. They thrive in environments where they can leverage their strengths to drive innovation and achieve their goals, while also valuing their personal autonomy and deep connections with others. Understanding these characteristics can provide valuable insights into how INTJs navigate and excel in various aspects of life. Strengths and challenges of INTJs. INTJs possess a unique set of strengths that contribute to their success in various areas, but they also face certain challenges that they need to address. A. Strengths. Analytical and strategic thinking. INTJs are renowned for their analytical prowess and strategic mindset. They excel at dissecting complex problems, analyzing data, and developing innovative solutions. Their ability to see the big picture and devise long-term plans makes them valuable assets in both professional and personal endeavors. Independence and autonomy. INTJs value their independence and autonomy. They are self-reliant individuals who prefer to work alone and make decisions based on their own judgment. This independence allows them to pursue their goals with determination and focus. Visionary leadership. INTJs are natural leaders who inspire others with their vision for the future. They are capable of articulating their ideas in a clear and compelling manner, motivating teams to work towards common goals. Their strategic thinking and decisiveness make them effective leaders in a variety of settings. Creative problem solving. INTJs possess a unique blend of creativity and logic, allowing them to approach problems from multiple angles. They are not afraid to challenge conventional wisdom and think outside the box to find innovative solutions. Their ability to think creatively sets them apart in a world that values innovation and ingenuity. B. Challenges. Difficulty delegating. INTJs have high standards and may struggle with delegating tasks to others. They often prefer to work independently and may feel that it is quicker and more efficient to do things themselves. However, this can lead to burnout and prevent them from effectively leveraging the skills and talents of others. Impatience with inefficiency. INTJs have a low tolerance for inefficiency and may become frustrated when things do not go according to plan. They may struggle with patience when working with others who do not share their level of competence or dedication. Learning to be more patient and understanding of others' perspectives can help INTJs build stronger relationships and collaborate more effectively. Social awkwardness. Despite their intelligence and competence, INTJs may struggle in social situations. They may come across as aloof or distant to others, especially in large group settings where small talk and social niceties are common. Developing social skills and learning to navigate social interactions can help INTJs build stronger connections with others and advance in their careers. Perfectionism. INTJs have high standards for themselves and may be perfectionists by nature. While this drive for excellence can lead to impressive achievements, it can also be a source of stress and anxiety. INTJs may need to learn to balance their desire for perfection with the need for self-care and work-life balance. Overall, INTJs possess a unique combination of strengths that enable them to excel in various areas of life. By recognizing and addressing their challenges, INTJs can continue to grow and thrive in both their personal and professional endeavors. Impact and potential development of INTJs. INTJs have a significant influence in various spheres of life, and they possess the potential for further development and growth in their personal and professional endeavors. A. Impact in organizations. Strategic vision. INTJs are known for their strategic thinking and ability to see the big picture. In organizational settings, they can play a crucial role in shaping the future direction of the company. Their ability to develop long-term plans and execute them with precision can lead to significant growth and success for the organization. Innovative solutions. INTJs are creative problem solvers who excel at finding innovative solutions to complex problems. They are not afraid to challenge the status quo and think outside the box to drive innovation within their teams and organizations. Their ability to see possibilities and opportunities that others may overlook can lead to breakthroughs and advancements in various fields. Effective leadership. INTJs are natural leaders who inspire others with their vision and determination. They are capable of articulating their ideas in a clear and compelling manner, motivating teams to achieve ambitious goals. Their strategic thinking, decisiveness, and ability to lead by example make them effective leaders in a variety of settings. B. Personal development opportunities. Emotional intelligence. INTJs may benefit from developing their emotional intelligence, particularly in areas such as empathy and interpersonal relationships. By becoming more attuned to their own emotions and those of others, INTJs can build stronger connections with their colleagues and navigate social situations more effectively. Flexibility and adaptability. INTJs may benefit from developing greater flexibility and adaptability in their approach to work and life. While their strategic mindset and long-term planning skills are valuable, they may need to learn to be more flexible in the face of uncertainty and change. Communication skills. INTJs may benefit from improving their communication skills, particularly in areas such as active listening and expressing empathy. By honing their communication skills, INTJs can build stronger relationships with their colleagues and effectively communicate their ideas to others. C. Potential for leadership development. Executive leadership roles. INTJs have the potential to excel in executive leadership roles, such as CEO or senior executive positions. Their strategic thinking, analytical prowess, and visionary mindset make them well-suited for these positions, where they can shape the future direction of the company and drive organizational success. Mentorship and coaching. INTJs can make effective mentors and coaches, guiding others in their personal and professional development. By sharing their knowledge and experiences, INTJs can help others achieve their goals and reach their full potential. Overall, INTJs have a significant impact in organizations and communities, and they possess the potential for further development and growth. By leveraging their strengths and addressing areas for improvement, INTJs can continue to make a positive impact and achieve success in their endeavors. Conclusion. In conclusion, INTJs are dynamic individuals with a unique set of strengths and capabilities that enable them to make a significant impact in both professional and personal spheres. Their strategic thinking, analytical prowess, and visionary mindset make them valuable assets in organizations, where they can drive innovation, lead with clarity, and achieve ambitious goals. While INTJs possess many strengths, they also face challenges such as difficulty delegating tasks, impatience with inefficiency, and social awkwardness. However, by recognizing these challenges and actively working to address them, INTJs can further develop their skills and continue to grow in their personal and professional lives. INTJs have the potential to excel in executive leadership roles, mentorship, and coaching, where they can guide others in their personal and professional development. By leveraging their strengths and continuously seeking opportunities for growth, INTJs can make a positive impact in their organizations and communities, shaping the future with their strategic vision and innovative thinking. In summary, INTJs are influential individuals who possess the potential for further development and growth. By harnessing their unique strengths and addressing their challenges, INTJs can continue to make a meaningful impact in the world around them and achieve success in their endeavors.